up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative and after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. It's hilarious, you think you're exterior and they're a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was bad. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. No, I don't take sh** up for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna hate me, gonna learn that mental health is confident. Here to save the day, that's where you spot instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible if you just believe.